Italian dish, and it is quite easy to make because almost all the ingredients that are putting in this dish because it smells and tastes absolutely amazing, and most importantly, it's quite easy to make, and you can even make it more colorful and nutritious. Also, you can add herbs and oregano, chili flakes, and salt as per your taste. And now you mix very well and set aside, keeping in mind that sauce gets thickened as it cools. So keep the consistent accordingly.
Easy to cook. First turn on the gas and put on it a pan and boil 2 or 3 cup water.
I can serve this with a snack time, that is besan chilla. Okay. It's northern and southern dish. For that we need 1 cup of besan. Put it